Yo, what is going on? What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Yo, I'm feeling wild and free. I just got out of a terrible relationship. I feel amazing. Like, I'm single. Like, who needs exes? I don't need relationships. I don't need Vanessa. Today, I'm gonna be jumping into a topic that you guys just keep asking about. Seriously, stop asking. No, it's fine. Keep asking. I love it. Keep commenting, hit that like button. Do it right. Yo, everyone's always asking, like, David, how do you look so amazing? It's genetics and personality. Today, I have a present for you. Unwrap the present. Anyway, my phone is blowing up right now. Yo, but David, what's the video about? Patience, please. If you're getting value out of this, smash that like button. Drum roll, please. Totally not a drum roll. I don't even know what I was doing. Yo, it's my job to be on camera, but lately with all this Zoom stuff, it's your job to be on camera. So today I'm gonna show you how to take just an ordinary crappy video like this and transform it so you look and feel like a movie star. Yeah. With 3 simple tricks: lighting, attitude, and sound. Or as I like to call it, loss. So it's kind of a weird acronym, but whatever. Oh, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Okay. Let's take it down a notch and get to the actual learning. Step 1 to looking and feeling like a movie star is lighting. This is what you would normally look like on Zoom. What sucks? Literally everything. Let's fix this. Before we even get started with lighting, let's get this camera closer to eye level. All you need are these stack of books that your ex gave you, hoping they might fill the void inside of you that you've been filling with workaholism. Unless you're already working late at night to avoid that empty feeling inside, you can close the blinds to get even more control and darken your background. The first light you want to add is called the key light, and it should be at a 45-degree angle and coming from above. Wow, already looking so much better. This next part is what most people miss. Arguably the most important light is not the one that's in front of you, but the one that is behind you. It's adding a nice shine and glow to the side of my face. One of the biggest secrets to creating that sense of presence is to sound like a movie star with a simple clip-on microphone. This is what I sound like without a clip-on mic. This is what I sound like with a clip-on mic. It sounds much more connected, much more intimate. Kind of like you're sitting on the couch with your ex connecting, and when the audio sounds ambient and further away, it's more like you're sitting on the couch with your ex, but you're distracted, not listening to what they're saying because you're thinking about your YouTube channel. Anyway, the point is you can just pick up a simple clip-on mic and sound amazing. Now, things are going so good just on my laptop with this clip-on mic and this amazing lighting that I don't even need my fancy camera. And the last piece of the equation is attitude. You want confidence, connection, and relaxation. First off, confidence. Now, if you want to look and feel like a movie star, you gotta have that movie star confidence. Now, movie stars don't feel great every day. In fact, they're actors. They know how to project themselves and to act great even if they feel terrible. Their mental health is falling apart and they're really alone. Number 2, connection. So, all humans crave connection. And number 3, relaxation. If you're on camera and you look really tense, it's gonna make everyone feel uncomfortable. Take a deep breath. And remember, you're a movie star. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. It means a lot. I feel so close to you guys and you make everything possible. And don't forget, lighting, attitude, sound. You've gotta lose to win big. I hope this is helpful. Just keep pushing towards your goal. It's the grind, right? Gotta grind on, and we're gonna keep working and creating and growing our followers and making money or whatever it is we want to do. And one day, after all that work, we'll wake up and be happy.
Let's build something together.